Good morning everyone. I am very much excited today because this is my first video for YouTube and also my first video for 2019, and I am very much excited actually because I received a gift coming from my sister, who is very generous, very loving and very beautiful sister. And here it is. It's Michael Kors Access, and I'm very much excited because today I'm gonna show you guys on how to unbox it and of course how to connect it with your Android phone. Okay, so on this side we have the picture of the watch and then the details about it. This is empty, and of course the Michael Kors Access name, and at the bottom I think it's another picture. Okay, let's open this one. We have to remove this plastic first. Okay. Next, we have to remove this one. And here is the box. Let's open it. Oh, gorgeous. This is gorgeous, you know. Let's see what's inside of it. Okay, there's another box. I believe this is it's actually the manual or the instruction in different languages. And yes, quick start guide. This is also important. We have to read that later. And this one is, oh, it's the charger. Look at it. This one is magnetic, I think. You have to put it at the back of the watch. Okay, now we're gonna check this. You see that? Gorgeous, you know. It's very gorgeous. I like this, you know. It has, wait, can you see this? Yes, it has Michael Kors on it, and also at this side there's an MK on it. Yes, this is the microphone side. Let's check this. We have to charge it first, okay? Michael Kors buckle. It's also in a small bag. Watch, and let's check. There's a lot of theme here. Yes, you can choose for the color or what's not. Anyway, let's just press it first and look for the menu. Here are the things you can see in your menu. You have the flashlight, Michael Kors Access, phone, Play Store, reminders, settings, stopwatch, timer, weather, a lot of things you can find in here. Also, you can see if there's a notification that is connected to your Google account.